Okay, day 15. We have 9 days left because it only goes till the 24th. All right, now, so let me take this one out. Let's see what we have. This, oh, it's another flower. Okay, let me grab my supplies. I pulled in some flower garden paper by Carta Bella, and I've cut this piece into 3 strips, and I'm keeping it together for a reason. As part of that pattern, this was also it, and I'm keeping it together. My background is this pink, and it has, I don't know if you can see, it has a shimmer to it, and it has some texture. I have a scrap to stamp on and cut out. I don't know if I'm going to use a background behind it or not. I have my white to go on top of here and my card base. So let's get the card base put together first because I want to make sure my pieces get put on there correctly. All right, so and I have this. I think I'm going to cut this down a little bit more, so give me a minute. All right, I've cut this down about 3/8 more smaller than this piece. So let me get this put to, you know what, before I do that, I'm going to put these pieces on. Reason being is if I need to cut them down, I can. I did cut them down. So this goes on first, and I'm going to turn it sideways so I can see what I'm doing. And see, that might need to be trimmed a little bit. And I'm leaving a little bit of space between and then this one. All right. Ah, this one keeps sticking. There. And it does look like it needs to be trimmed just ever so slightly. So let me do it real quick. Yeah, little tiny slivers. All right, now these go on next. And this is the bottom one, so I'm going to put it on first. Like so. Yeah, this one's going to need to be trimmed also. Come up a little. All right. And even though there's a space between, all right, I may have trimmed the wrong end on this. All right, it kind of blends, and I think I trimmed the wrong end on this one, and that's why it's not lining up. I probably should have paid attention to that. All right, now I can put this on my card panel, my pink panel. Get rid of that. I don't want that behind it. All right. And then this will go on my card base. Like so. All right. Time to cut out or to do my stamping. And I think I'll see what that looks like Let's see what it looks like. All right, so that is a flower. So I need to clean this and use that as my guide for coloring. Okay, let's try this again now. This gets colored. All right. And then this gets colored. This gets colored. And this, and I got the corner of my flower. Oh, I caught it again. Let me do it this way. All right, so I've got that. Okay. 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 That looks like it's cut off, but it's got the ink on it. It's just the way it is. All right, so I've got that. Woo! Now, I'm gonna cut this, and I need to I think I'll put the pink behind it. So let me cut both of those pieces. All right, got it. Hopefully this will stick to it. I think it will. All right, some foam adhesives here. And I was going to use the white, but I was thinking I was going to mount. Okay, I ran out of battery. The last thing you saw was putting the foam adhesives on the back of here, and I put that on. I then went in my stash and found some pink gems to use. So there's today's idea. See you tomorrow. Bye.